Ye Malik Basintale ko in the office why ye now said the drum edgy boom or munyina kwakoshia.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Abrante Malik Basintale. Hey, she. Politics not already grown. Politics and already grow. Sometimes, youthful exuberance a baby. Was say every young person now you are coming up in politics, you must be careful. You must be careful to manage the expectation of people. And yes, sir, in politics, you will never satisfy people. You will never. Now there is a difference between say we a campaign and when you are in power. And Malik Onimana. Being in power is not the same as say we campaign. Na nyame adomu wabo modern obianim say wabo modern na ebra ye campaign you have done your bit and you have done your possible best for NDC to come to power. Even though there were a lot of excesses, but I believe say politics as usual. And it is just good say ebia NDC aba power abaimono. They are giving some of you young people the opportunity. But you see, as a young person, you must be willing to learn. You must learn. And sometimes learning it will require, say, you humble yourself and you respect your elders. Now, I believe strongly, say, sometimes, MPP Mukrano, we take advice from people who are elders in NDC. But you cannot go and take those advices if you go and stand on political platform say obi repreko. I believe say obi ani MPP say Malik or Ben nipa no say person mu boa me say mu advice me nipa no be boa no. Utimasi otherwise no some mistake Malik say obi a wo ko dwumem. Your first day at work. Enye fanfareism a serious business o. Na baby I didn't know to no. Ana on him say the expectation is very high. Youth Employment Authority, YEAU. Now, Obia, the person is handing over to you. Kofi Japan. Nyama I don't know who. Now, Malik, what maybe this our record? And this is a time to be sober-headed. And I will say, Bompire. Say, oh Allah, how am I going to do it? Instead of being sober, no. A day, a night to your first day at work, no. And on the two Facebook say, Ochana miko jumemu, Ethiopia or Motobiana, Ombra na yenko jumanim. She, politics, fanfareism. People will hail you, and the same people will crucify you. Who the kobisa asafo nemune e Yesu Kristo mpo. When it came to critical, I say, should we give you Barnabas or we should give you Jesus? They say, give us Barnabas and Jesus there. Munkonkuno. Politics. You are following people. You are looking for crowd. Yeah, Malik. You see? And this is where issues will start arising for you. This is where your trouble begins. Trouble mu promas. Afinest Astatiam or Malik. Essence say expectations, you see, you are able to raise about 500 people to follow you to your the first day at office. The next day, now out of those 500 people, about 300 will come with their CVs. Among the CV ban, ultimately catch say they should go back. Essence said the day before, they follow you for fanfareism.
That's true. But again, we'll also be looking at Malik Basintale ko in the office. Why? Now he said the drum edgy boom or munyina kwakoshia. Something that I said is not and you call the right thing. Politics Basintale and because I have brought to any experience, I just understood the youthful exuberance. But Obia what our politics more experience in himself. Politics to me satisfy Obia. In politics, you can't satisfy every party person. You can't satisfy every voter. I want to say, also some crowd so mumra. Nipa koshia Basintale office, a double 200. Sami pano say 100 Ghana crown now the mobile so car times 200 people here. And also saw almost to say a bedroom baby now. Oh, why busy because why you be now benya brahman. there's also a job for you to do. So when you pay no de so bo ba be bo and your friend and I ba no na call office you and he say so I am Yama Basintale say ono nkasa ya ade a as or set it trap am on one but one kasa obetimi aboa ama wa ye what there so you don't need party for because you cannot satisfy everybody till that kingdom come. Do your best. What I say about swap boys in Nakoguo. Na crowd your hand Ghana momo. Na ochna wa your hand Ghana momo. Mukroya besa boarding bonnet.
And that is where the disappointment will begin. And that is where you also get to realize, say, you are not at YEA just for NDC followers. You are at YEA for all the youth of Ghana. Because the entirety of the youth in Ghana, omu ina yen na ye tax. Aha, and to make us say, ugbe ma NDC phone kwa juma na waja NPP for. Yeah, uko ye sanso a de mobeba yen peneso. Because me wa me page juma bi o YEA. But me tina ho say, wow Malik wa be CEO or YEA no, you only be using it for the bidding of NDC. And so you're very, very careful. You have to manage very, very carefully. Say, you don't go and create unnecessary expectation around yourself. And yes, no, you will regret it too. And we are watching closely. We will say that during campaign power. I said you know it all. Now you didn't have any experience. Why you might be other? Now NDC grassroots move. Time I'm here campaign. Now Malik no using moto. Endra. I'll call on the first day in office, or is it Toyota V8 70th edition, limited edition for that matter. Me see, when people are telling you to go and fool, like sometimes think twice. Oh, now my connections, now my godfathers, people don't have some. So they say you go and die, go and do this for the party, go and that for the party. Hey, yeah, you to go to school small. But Malik, on a more serious note, you are a very young person. One that many people look up to. Those of us on the other device, to some of us admire you, but you must be careful. You must be careful not to overdo. You see, it's a serious business that started. Campaign is over. When you listen to the Minister of Agriculture, I believe, or call the first day of office in office, okay, or see, my success depends on you people, and politics is over. Now it's time for work. Now officer, why officer? I'll call them no. Obia NDC ni. She. Odia call Jimmy. Call Jimmy or Onesha baby. Not everybody at YE is an NDC person. As you call Grano, that's all bumpire. You ask for divine guidance, the spirit of leadership, so that you will do and you will serve adequately to the full satisfaction of Ghanaians that have placed you there. And yet fanfarism for that etrimudeno, jatrimudeno, that time is gone. That time is gone. Business has started. Business has begun. Bread and butter issues have started. The teeming numbers of unemployed youths, they are waiting. They are waiting for YEA models. Kofi Japan has done his bid. A time came where YEA was recruiting people into police, military and co. And so the market scheme is high. Forget our fanfarism and start work. Then cry na this for Muchichire. Then they answer, I don't mind about Muda. I buy by what member Master Mutimo Mudesa, then cry near. This has been the political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.